Hello, Scrappy Peeps. Suzanna here for the Scrap Room to share the July kits with you from the Scrap Room. I have here in particular with me the 4 Flavors of the Month kits. You have Simple Stories, Hello Summer, PhotoPlay, and that is red, white, and blue. Illustrated Faith, All People, All Nations, and the last collection is Carta, and that is Summer Splash. So you can see it's a nice mix of summer collections. I have here the Flavor of the Month kit itself, the embellishment add-on, as well as the pattern paper add-on. So we'll go through each of the 4 of these, and then we will do the double shot kits. So we will start with Carta, and with each kit you get 3 pattern papers and you get 2 pieces of cardstock. So the cardstock that goes with this month is the white cardstock, and those are the pattern paper add-ons. So the main papers, you have all summer footwear essentials, flip-flops, fins, sandals, and you have that really cool pool background with the sort of shimmer from the top of the water. And you have these stripes, and on the back side some cool sort of vintage postcardy kind of things. Vacation Crush, that's different, that's really cool. You can never have too much beach. And then the third paper is a tropical palm tree kind of fun with flamingos and beach balls on the back. So I kind of see doing some stripes there with the blue, and maybe some flamingos to mat the photo would be neat. And then, so those are the main pattern papers. And with that comes an assortment of the die cuts. These are the frame die cuts, as well as some enamel dots that coordinate with that as well. So those are the main kit pieces, and then in the embellishment add-on you will get these chipboard pieces, which are fun. Pool, the sign heated pool, flamingo, kind of a pineapple floaty vacation, so that's good for summertime fun with a couple of tropical things in it, and a few of those sort of more vintage vacation things. And then the add-on pattern paper, the essential summer swimwear, hanging on a clothesline with multicolored starfish, and this paper is called Beach Day. Summer words, and on the back side of that are some waves. So that is the Carta poolside collection in the Flavors of the Month kit with the add-ons. And then from there we go to the Illustrated Faith collection, and again 3 pieces of pattern paper, 1, 2, 3, and you get that really nice navy. It complements perfectly. 2 pieces of that is your cardstock. I have 2 pieces of the pattern paper add-on, the die cuts that come with the kit, and then this is the embellishment add-on. So for the main kit you have that hope, and on the back side of that is a really neat sort of polka dotted, it's not really polka dotted, but flecked Illustrated Faith navy. I like that. All different kinds of colors with stitching. You could actually kind of stitch through and hand stitch different colors through, would be kind of neat. And some asymmetrical triangles. You could make some fun hexagons from those, or hand stitch in those colors, the hexagons into that. And then you have borders and 3x4s, 4 3x4s down the bottom there, as well as this font printed, "We are united, we are diverse, we are connected," white on pink. So those are from the main kit, and that goes with the pattern paper. Also with the main kit you're going to get an assortment of die cuts. I have a large bookmark. You will never influence the world by trying to be of it. And I believe that's supposed to be one of the countries. A tab, a flower, hope, an X. We are united, and that is see-through. And then a journal spot, happy feelings. So that is the main embellishments. The add-on embellishments are the full set of stickers from the same collection, all people, all nations. Lots of banners, circles, and you don't have to use this for religious purposes if you didn't want to, because really we are diverse. It speaks more of diversity and togetherness. Beauty in diversity, all people, all nations, so that's neat. And then the pattern paper add-on, I really like that painted, textured, sort of acrylic brushstroke look with all the colors. And the yellow version of that tealy aqua there. And the world, a neat map of the world, and some chevrons in the colors that go with that collection. So that is the illustrated faith part of the flavors of the month. Next up we have PhotoPlay, and this is the red, white, and blue collection. So you get 3 pattern papers, 1, 2, 3, and you get a cream cardstock, 2 pieces of that, 2 pieces of the pattern paper add-on. These are the embellishments that come with the main flavors of the month kit, and these are the add-ons in the embellishment add-on. So the 3 main kit papers are these red, white, and blue, and cream really. It is not so much white, more cream, floral, and that is called Think to Remember. And actually that one was called Home of the Brave. And this is the red, white, and blue stripe. And then you have a red, white, and I'm not going to call it white really, red, different blues, and cream plaid. And then you have the teeny flowers on the back side, and some stars, different sizes, as well as the fireworks, sort of explosions. And so you can see that in a close-up here. So this deck collection definitely has more of a vintage feel to it, and goes perfectly with that cream. So then with the main flavors of the month kit, you get the full set of the element stickers. There's a map, some stars, some fireworks, some borders, which is really nice, as well as some word stickers. And then in the embellishment kit add-on, and this is just my particular kit, don't forget, there's a collection of goodies there. So a nice frame with Happy 4th of July, Statue of Liberty, a tag, President, another taggy kind of thing. I think, does that cut out? Yep, that punches out if you wanted it to. And a few other banner littler elements there. So that is from the embellishment add-on. And then the pattern paper add-on, you get these red, white, and blue swags. We the People from the Declaration in cream. That would make a great background to put stuff on. And the 4x3 and 4x6 cards, the Liberty Bell, and a really nice red and cream stripe there. And you can see that text back behind it. So again, a very vintagey feel to that layout, those pattern papers there. And if you didn't celebrate St. Patrick's, if you didn't celebrate Independence Day, you could probably still use this collection, minus the fireworks. You could have the stars and still do something fun with that. If you were not in the US, it would still be a very functional kit for you, and you could just, I really like that, incorporate the elements, the stars. It might be a little bit harder with the embellishments, but you could definitely use the pattern papers. So that's PhotoPlay, red, white, and blue. Up next, we have the Simple Stories Hello Summer collection. And as with every kit in the Flavor of the Month kit, you will get 3 pattern papers, white, 2 pieces of white cardstock, and your embellishments, which are this little pack here. And you do get 4 of the 3x4 cards and or the pattern paper that's on the back there. And then my add-ons, I have the embellishment add-on and the 2 pattern papers. So for the main kit pattern papers, you have these circles from the Hello Summer collection, and on the back side of those circles in the different colors with the polka dots. I like that. I really like this. I could see like cutting out clumps of circles. And you have summer sayings, just chillin', beach please, slice of summer, hot, hot, hot. And then you have an aqua-y waves. And on the back side of that, some really neat flowers. You could fussy cut those. And stripes. And some really cool speech bubbles in that sort of Dalmatian polka dotty kind of thing. And then these are the cards. These are just the 4 that I got, but don't forget they come in a set of 16. So I think 16, yep. 4, 8, 12, sorry, 12. So that's just the 1/3 of the sheet that I got there. And then these are the die cuts that I got. And again, this is just my sampling of the die cuts that come with the embellishments for the kit, but very generous collection of embellishments here. A fun mix of words, things, beach please, hello, a little tag, pineapple, palm tree, and then an interesting mix of, yeah, hello summer, so some sayings to go with that. And then were you to get the embellishment add-on, you get the full sheet of stickers, again, very generous. And I love having that because you can do so much with it. You could make cards. And then the 2 pattern papers, these florals against the wood grain. Ooh, I like those little, they're kind of like hashtags, hash marks. They're not hashtags, but hash marks, is that what they're called? Those little lines? Makes me think of Tweety Bird. And then some pineapples and just the polka dot that kind of goes with that background there, but without all the words on it. So that is a nice supplement to the kit there. So that is the 4 flavors of the month collections, and then you also get coffee with that. So then next up we have the 2 collections for the double shot kit if you get the double shot kit. So this month you are getting Jillibean Soup, Bohemian Brew, and you are getting Doublebug Hello. So these run slightly differently, the double shot kits, in that you get 3 pieces of pattern paper, you get embellishments, and you get 3 pieces of cardstock. So we'll start with the Jillibean. And the 3 pieces of cardstock are 2 pieces of white, 1, 2, a piece of red, and these are the 3 pieces of pattern paper that you are going to get this month. You are going to get these Volkswagen bugs, piece bugs, with a nice yellow with a floral on the background, and some vases, whatever you happen to call them, with the red with the hearts in the center. Fun floral, tropical floral, with orange polka dots on the back there. So that is that. And then for the embellishments, again, generous collection of embellishments, the soup labels with the different words, and that matches the collection, as well as more letters and some fun little things to embellish the page with there. So that is Jillibean Soup, Bohemian Brew from the double shot. And then you get Hello. This is Hello Happy to me. I like this collection a lot. So the cardstock are the 2 pieces of that blue and the white, 3 pieces of cardstock, and some embellishments. So for the cardstock, we have the florals, very bright. And that pink with the subtle floral texture, not texture, background to it. It's kind of tone on tone with that pink. And some telephones with speech bubbles. And again, another tone on tone. I like the B-sides because they are not quite as busy. And a plaid using the same colors from the collection, as well as the strips. So different embellishments that you could use there on that. And then with the embellishments, you get, and again, this is just my collection, you get a row of the enamel dots, you get a clip, and I have a fun little camera. And then what else is in here? Some fun. A jar of goodies, jar of hearts, a heart, a butterfly, hello. Oh, some fun, those are neat. Acrylic pieces, a feather, an acrylic heart, a envelope full of flowers, some flower, a yellow flower, and the camera. So that is hello from Doodlebug. So that's it for me for this month. Be sure to stop in later in the month to check out the videos of the layouts and projects that I create using these fun kits. Thanks for stopping in today. Take care.